bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Oh, I'm still falling. Oh, but it tastes bittersweet. Oh, I keep on falling. Oh, I like the taste of it. Day by day, I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain of you, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how it felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it, whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I do it for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. Like I was caught or blind, but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tighter. Don't wear my PJs every day, cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself.
If I were to the sea, baby, I'd never say forever to the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that no. So I won't go back. Oh Lord, I got me to forget. I'm not lost, no regrets, and the moon shine back again. When I drove down to my base, while I blame the world's neglect, and I shine right back again. So I